Actually, even we are telling everyone to exercise, most of the time, the kid doesn't have the interest by themselves. He or she is having some vision and hearing problem. If it is undiagnosed or if it is unnoticed, we will be thinking them as a normal kid and teaching them normally. So, avங்களுக்கு என்ன ஸ்பெஷலா தேவை? For example, if he is having some hearing issue, we have to give them some visual cues to complete that activity. We have to show some special attention to that kid, but for that we have to know what are aspects the child is going through, what are aspects the child is suffering from. What we can do is we can understand where they are coming from, what condition they are having, so that we cannot leave them behind other kids. I promise to be an advocate for my students, guiding them with empathy and care. Together, we will help them grow into confident and successful individuals. Together, we will help them grow into confident and